So when it come down to self, I personally like to just do the $48 account with self where I'm paying $48 per month for a year. The difference is with the extra large and just the large is that you're going to have a higher amount reported to the credit bureau. So using you have a higher amount reported, it just means that you're able to manage a higher amount. So that means that when you go and apply for additional credit cards, you can possibly get approved for higher limits because they can see that you already dealt with higher limits in the past. Now, if you guys just want to build your credit, you guys don't get into the hype with the higher limits. Like don't get into the hypes. If you guys just want to build your credit, get the $48 one. And the reason why I say $48 is because I knew in the past that I just was not good at just paying or staying consistent. My problem is consistency, period. So I just made sure I did the $9 a month plan, but there's other ones out there that you guys can do. Now let's go ahead and look it up because I have all of these on my website. So Rickita.com, you can look up all of these accounts. So here is that self Visa credit card. The self account is actually the first account you got to get so that you can even get the self Visa. So let's go ahead and click apply now, so that you guys can check it out. So let's go ahead and click learn more. Now, because I want to show you guys like the different plans with this. So here's a different plan. So you got the small builder, the medium builder, the large builder, and then you have the extra large builder. Let me actually make it a little smaller so you guys can be able to see it all. Now, this is what they were asking. They said they want to do the extra large builder where they're paying $150 per month. They're going to eventually give back $1,600. Their total fees that they're going to pay is $146 in fees. But I say I'd like to do this one right here with $48 per month. And I like to just do this one because, like I said, too, $48 per month, something I know I can manage. $150, that's a whole bill. So some people can't manage that. If you guys can manage that extra money, go ahead and get that one. You're going to be paying on it for 12 months. And I don't like to get these at $25 or $35 just because it's 24 months. But if you guys are very, very responsible, please go ahead and get one of these because it's just you're going to have longer history, and that's what you want. You want it to report as long as it can. Now don't forget to, once they start reporting, your credit score is going to take a small little dip. It's going to drop a little bit. But I tell people, like, when you on that $48 a month plan, make sure you apply for everything before that close because your credit score is going to dip a little bit. Apply for, if you want to get another loan or if you want to get credit cards, you want to get a house, try to apply for it while you're making those payments because as soon as they report, your credit score should go up if your credit score is very, very low. And then also, too, while you're in the process of paying on it, is going to continue to go up. So while you're paying on it, make sure you guys apply for whatever you want. As you guys see your credit score go up, apply for those accounts that you want. But to me, that's really the only difference. If you guys are paying more like $150 per month, it just shows that you're capable of doing that. So when you go ahead and apply for another loan, they'll see that you have the capacity to do that because you have done it before. That's all that is to me. That's how I look at it. That's how